Adalat Stepwell or Rudabai Stepwell is a stepwell located in the small town of Adalaj, close to Gandhinagar city in the Indian state of Gujarat. It was built in 1498 in the memory of Rana Veer Singh of the Waghela dynasty. As per legend, in the 15th century, Rana Veer Singh of the Waghela dynasty, a Hindu ruler, reigned over this territory known as Dandai Desh. His kingdom was a small one. It was subject to water shortage and was highly dependent on the rains. To alleviate the misery of his people, the Rana began the construction of a large and deep stepwell. Before this project could be completed, his kingdom was attacked by Muhammad Begda, the Muslim ruler of a neighboring kingdom. The Rana king was killed in a battle and Muhammad Begda occupied his territory. Rana Veer Singh's widow, a beautiful lady known as Rani Rupba or Rudabai, wanted to commit suicide and join her husband in the afterlife. However, Begda prevented her from giving up her own life and proposed marriage with the dowager. She agreed to a marriage proposal on the condition that he would first complete the building of the stepwell. The Muslim king, who was deeply enamored of the queen's beauty, agreed to the proposal and built the well in record time. Once the well was completed, Begda reminded the queen of her promise to marry him. Instead, the queen, who had achieved her objective of completing the stepwell started by her husband, decided to end her life. She walked around the stepwell with prayers and jumped into the well, ending the saga of building the well in tragedy. The Adalat Stepwell is a popular tourist attraction of the Gandhinagar city and is situated 18 kilometers north of Ahmedabad city. It is 5 kilometers from Gandhinagar, the capital city of Gujarat. And you also visit the Adalaj Trimandir, which is located 20 kilometers away from the city of Ahmedabad, near the village of Adalaj and the Adalaj Stepwell on the Ahmedabad-Kalol highway. The entire complex is surrounded by a lush green garden with benches as well as a beautiful fountain at the center. Thank you for watching. I will come back with another informative video.